Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to 5 Words a Day, where we enrich our vocabulary together. Today's words explore themes of positivity, avoidance, emotions, demeanor, and multitasking. So, let's dive in. और आज के हमारे 5 words है auspicious, whistle out of it, deflated, nonchalant, juggle. So let's start with word meanings and explanation. Number one, auspicious means suggesting a positive and successful future. शुभ या एक सकारात्मक और सफल भविष्य का संकेत देना. Examples: their marriage began on an auspicious day, blessed by clear skies and warm sunshine. Second example, the company's launch was auspicious, with immediate interest from investors. Second, whistle out of it means to avoid a responsibility or commitment in a sneaky or dishonest manner. चुपके से या बेईमानी से जिम्मेदारी या प्रतिबद्धता से बचना. Examples: he always tries to whistle out of doing his share of the chores. She attempted to whistle out of the agreement at the last minute. Third, deflated means feeling less confident or less important or reduced in size. निराश या कम आत्मविश्वास महसूस करना या आकार या दबाव में कमी. Examples: after hearing the criticism, he felt completely deflated. The balloon deflated slowly after the party. Fourth, nonchalant means appearing calm, casual, and unconcerned, शांत और बेपरवाह दिखाई देना. Examples: she gave a nonchalant shrug, pretending not to care. His nonchalant attitude made it hard to tell if he was nervous. Now, last one, fifth. Juggle means to handle multiple tasks simultaneously or to keep objects in motion in the air by catching and throwing. एक साथ कई कार्यों को संभालना, वस्तुओं को हवा में पकड़ने और फेंकने से गतिमान रखना. Examples: working mothers often have to juggle work and family responsibility. Second example, clown can juggle 3 balls at once. Now it's time for English conversation using today's words. Alice: I heard you had an auspicious start to your new job. Bob: yes, but now I'm trying to juggle multiple projects and it's challenging. Alice: don't let it deflate your enthusiasm. Stay positive. Bob: I'll try. By the way, did you notice how Mark tried to whistle out of the meeting yesterday? Alice: yes, he was so nonchalant about it, as if it didn't matter. Now it's time for a short story using today's words. In a small town, a young woman named Priya was about to open her first cafe. The grand opening was set on an auspicious date, chosen for its promise of prosperity. As the day approached, Priya found herself juggling various tasks, finalizing the menu, training staff, decorating the space. Despite the workload, she remained nonchalant, display calm and confidence. However, not everyone shared her dedication. One of her suppliers tried to wiggle out of a prior agreement, attempting to increase prices at the last minute. This unexpected move deflated Priya's spirits momentarily, but she quickly regained her composure, confronting the supplier with firmness and grace. She ensured that the original terms were honored. The cafe opening day arrived, filled with excitement and a steady stream of customers. Priya's ability to juggle challenges with a nonchalant demeanor turned the auspicious beginning into a thriving reality. Her resilience transformed potential setbacks into opportunities, inspiring others in the community. So that's all for today's episode. Remember, expanding your vocabulary enhances your communication skills. Try incorporating these words into your daily conversations. Join us next time for more enriching words. Keep learning and stay curious.